In this video, I'll show you how to file your crypto taxes using TurboTax Canada. Cryptocurrency taxation can seem complicated, but we'll go step by step to make the process simple and stress-free. Start by visiting the official TurboTax site. From the homepage, click the Sign In button at the top right. If you already have an account, log in. If not, create a new account. It only takes a few minutes. Once signed in, navigate to your TurboTax home area, which acts as your command center for managing all aspects of your tax filing. Make sure to select the correct tax year, such as 2024, before proceeding. Next, go to the federal section. This part covers your overall income and federal deductions. Then move to the wages and income section, where you'll gather all income details, including wages, interest, and income from crypto investments. In the Investments and Savings section, find the Crypto Transactions option. Here you can add or edit your cryptocurrency activity, including any sales, trades, or exchanges during the tax year. When prompted, confirm that you want to enter a summary for your crypto sales. Select your financial institution from the list, or add your crypto platform manually if it's not listed. Finally, proceed to Let's Get Your Forms and review all entries carefully before submitting. Accuracy is crucial to ensure your submission reflects your true financial position. Following these steps, you can confidently file your crypto taxes using TurboTax Canada.